Hi students, a very good morning to all of you. Now today we discuss some questions, that is oral questions. In previous class we had discussed how to make a own magnet. Okay. Now today we discuss first oral question that is given in your book on page number 196. On page number 196. Okay. Now first question is that what? At which place on a magnet its magnetic force is maximum? Its magnetic force is maximum. Simply, you know that the place where the magnetic force is maximum is what? That is the ends of magnet. That is ends of magnet. Okay? Clear? Now answer 2 is what? In which direction does a suspended magnet come to rest? Means when you take a suspended magnet with the help of thread, then what happened? This magnet is come into rest in which direction? In the north-south direction. Okay, that is north-south direction. North-south direction. Okay, north-south direction. Now answer 3 is what? Answer 3 is what? Name a magnetic device which is used by sailors, travelers for finding the direction. Simply that is what? That is a magnetic compass. That is a magnetic compass. Because this is a device which is used for what? Which is used for navigation or used by the sailors and travelers. Clear? Now answer 4 is what? A piece of iron is magnetized by stroking with a bar magnet with its north pole at the starting point. What will be the polarity of the magnetized piece at the other end? Simply, first is north pole, then ending point is a south pole. That is south pole. Right? That is south pole. Okay, that is south pole. These all are the answers of our questions. Okay, write down in your book. Okay, don't note it. Okay, I hope you noted it. So we will start new topic, that is interaction. That is interaction between magnetic poles. Interaction between magnetic poles. Okay, what do you mean by interaction? Interaction means what? You know that? Okay, let's see here. Interaction means simply attraction and repulsion. Means attract करना और repel करना. जब इन दो वर्ड्स को एक साथ बोलते हैं मीन्स दैट इज इंटरेक्शन. ओके, क्लियर? That is attraction and repulsion. Means interaction between magnetic poles. You know that there are two poles in a magnet, north and south. Then what is the interaction? How they interact with their poles? Means there are two poles and they interact with each other at the other magnet, with the other magnet. How? Suppose that you take this is the two magnets. This is the north pole, this is the south pole. Okay, and this is also another magnet. This is north, this is south. This is another magnet, this is also north, again this is south. What happened? This is south. When this north comes to this poles of south, what happened? This south pole and this north pole attract each other and the magnet gets stick, and magnet gets stick like this. Okay, but suppose we can this south pole and this is also south pole and comes closer to this south pole, then this south pole not attract, they repel. You can forcefully attach, they do not attach or attract because they repel each other, and you do not stick these two magnets because they repel each other, because the poles are same here. This both poles are north, then again same process occurs. Both poles are repel each other. Okay, they do not attract each other. Clear? Now let's see. First, opposite poles attract each other. Okay, means what? Suppose this is a magnet, this is north pole and south pole, and another magnet that is north pole and this is south pole. Then this north and this south attract. This is force of attraction. Clear? This is the force of attraction. South and north. Clear? Because both poles are opposite in nature. Okay? Means opposite poles or unlike poles are attract each other. Clear? Now second is what? Like poles or similar poles. Like poles or similar poles repel each other. How? See. Suppose this is a magnet and this is the another magnet, that is north, this is south, and this is south, this is north. Then again here there is a force, and that force is known as what? Force of repulsion. Okay? Clear? Force of repulsion. They repel each other and they attract each other. Okay? They attract they repel them, because unlike poles attract and like poles repel each other. Clear? This is the property of a magnet. Okay, this is the property of magnet, and this property is also known as interaction. Interaction means attraction or repulsion. Clear? Okay. See this. Okay. Now let's see another topic, that is repulsion is a sure test. That is what? That is a repulsion is sure test. How repulsion is sure test? How, if anyone, suppose repulsion is sure test of magnetism. Your topic is repulsion is sure test of magnetism. Okay, means if you find that if you prove that the given element is a magnet, then you can prove that there is a force of repulsion. Means if anyone asks you what is this sure test, how you make sure that this is a magnet or the property is magnetism? How? Simply you say that repulsion is the sure test of magnetism. Repulsion is the sure test of magnetism. Clear? Clear? Okay. Means when same poles comes near, then this is occurring. Okay. There is what? There is repulsion. There is what? Repulsion. Clear? Force of repulsion. Clear? Which confirm that, or this is a sure test. This is which confirm that the given elements are a magnet. The given elements are a magnet. Clear? Okay. Now let's see another topic. That is what? That is magnetic effect can pass through. Magnetic effect can pass through. Magnetic effect can pass through screen. Magnetic effect can pass through screen. Okay, means what? Simply the magnetic property penetrate the magnetic effect or magnetic line of force can penetrate the screen, even body also. Okay, clear? But how you can prove this? Suppose you take a simple paper. Okay. In one side you take any magnetic substance. Suppose you take iron, and with another side you take a what? You take a magnet. Okay. Means suppose this is your paper. First on you put here a magnetic substance, that is iron, and here you take a magnet. You stick this, you see that both the magnet and iron piece are stick. Even there is a another even there between there is a paper. Okay, there is a paper between the what? Between the magnet and between the iron. Even they are attract, means what? It shows that the property of magnet can penetrate the paper or screen. Clear? Suppose at the place of paper you can take any other material. Suppose you take a wooden small a very thin flat surface of any material like copper. Okay, like copper or any material except iron. Okay, except iron. Then what? You say do same experiments, same activity to that material. Take a magnet substance at inner side and take a magnetic substance on upper side, and you see that there is a force of attraction. They attract even that a magnetic substance. Okay, this shows that the magnetic substance can penetrate the any material. Okay, clear? Okay, now let see next topic, that is demagnetization. 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 Okay, you know what is demagnetization? Demagnetization means this is a, first you write down this, the process of destroying the magnetic property, destroying the magnetic property of a magnet is called demagnetization. Demagnetization. Okay? What? The process of destroying the magnetic properties of magnet is called a demagnetization. Means by any method, if you destroy the magnetic property of magnet, then this process is known as demagnetization. Clear, all of you? Okay. But how you do this? And after demagnetization, the material or the magnet does not show the property of attraction or repulsion. Clear? Because they lose their property. Okay? They lose their property of attraction, repulsion. Okay? Because they demagnetized. Okay? Now there are some method. By that method you can demagnetize the magnet. Okay? Let's see here what they are. First, methods of demagnetization. Okay? What they are? First, hammering. You know hammering? Okay? Hammering strongly. Okay? Hammering strongly means by the help of hammer you can hammer that magnet very strongly. Clear? Now second, by hitting the magnet. Clear? And keeping in east west direction. Clear? By hitting the magnet and keeping in east west direction. Clear? Now third one, by striking the magnet against hard surface. By striking the magnet against a hard surface. Okay? Now third one is by dropping the magnet. Okay? On a hard surface. Now this is fourth one. Now fifth one, by self demagnetization. Okay? Clear? These are the methods by which we can demagnetize the magnet. First one is hammering strongly. By hammering strongly. Second one, by heating. Means you heat the magnet, they lose their property. By striking the magnet, you can strike the magnet on a hard surface. After that, they also lose their property. But their striking is very strongly. By dropping the magnet on any hard surface. Okay? By this also they can lose their property. By self demagnetization means self-demagnetization is a process in which the two ends of a magnet can left free means you can free, put this magnet free. Okay, the two ends of the magnet is free, then they can lose their property very slowly, and after that they can demagnetize. Clear? Okay, let's see that, and if you want to write it, then write it. Clear? Now this is the process by which we can demagnetize. Let's see here what is demagnetization. What is demagnetization? Sorry, what is self demagnetization? See what is self demagnetization. Self demagnetization. Demagnetization. Okay. Clear? First is what? When the two poles, when the two poles of magnet are left free, the magnet loses its magnetism property slowly. This is called self demagnetization. Okay, means when the two poles of the magnets are left freely, then the magnets lose their magnetism and slowly, and this process is known as self demagnetization. Clear? Okay, now class, and this is today we discuss these topics. Now you can revise these topics, and in next class we have discussed the next topic, that is the care of magnet, how we can care the magnet. Clear? Okay, thank you everyone.